Mystery box ka dyan?
Wait, we don't know, okay?
Mystery box ba yan?
And don't forget, kids.
What?
With the scissors.
Get a guardian to...
You're adding kilsin eh.
What is
Parang lalo ang muna mo.
Okay, na-sanitize na yan, di ba? Parang di mabasag. May mabasag yan. Sige na, open. What's inside? Oh, sige na. Sige na, open na. What's that?
Steamer.
Oh, facial steamer. Open.
Open sesame. The big one. And then what is the box? Now,
Oh, careful, careful, man, careful. Oh. Okay, tapos lalagyan ng water yan. O, basta may instruction. Oh, face mask yan. Oh, yan. Pwede maging steam. Oh, mag-steam na. That is suob. Suob. What box? Hindi na. Ayun, ilatapat mo lang yung mukha mo dyan. Yun mo lang isang pink. Kuya, yung isang pink mo na yan. Sa baba. Oh, yan. Oh, sige. Fit mo na. I-fit mo. Yan. Wow. Ichi. Oh. Oh, tingnan, fit mo. Read the instruction. Oh, ganyan. Oh, ganyan. Para yung smoke pupunta dyan sa ilong ni Hanang malaki. Look, Hana. Oh, lalagyan natin ng oil yan. Or it could be water and salt. Oh.
Water and salt. Oh.
Pag-i-steam. Oh, para saan daw yan? Kuya, tingnan mo nga kung ano yung benefits niyang facial steamer.
Purification for the face.
Oh, see? Para mag-moist daw yung face. Oh, purify na. Let's try it, Hana.
what is this for?
Facial steamer. Lalagyan ng water nga yan. Water with salt or water. Just water. Or water with oil or oil lang. Ganun. Pwede ring, ano yan, ayan, facial steamer yan. Tingnan mo yung instruction kasi niya, yung manual niya.
I see it. It's open and closed.
Kaya nga.
Oh.
And
Oh, water.
Salt, please.
Salt or water. Pwede na yan. Water lang, pwede na yan.
put it on. Put it here.
It's already plugged on.
Nag-light na?
Yes.
Oh, nag-light na. Wait nyo na lang yan na mag-heat up.
Alright, let's wait about 1 or 2 minutes.
Oh, sige. Ano, may smoke na?
Yeah.
Oh, yan na. May smoke na nga, oh.
Do I have to turn it off now?
Oh, yan na, oh. No. Oh, sige. Sige na.
Oh, yeah.
Ay, low mo na, ah.
You need to have my full face now.
Oh, full face. Ilagay dyan. Oh, yan. Oh, ganyan. Unplug muna. Oh, see? Inhale, exhale. Inhale sa ilong. Exhale sa bunganga. Ganon. Nating din. What? Lapit mo, ate. Oh, how do you feel? Inhale, exhale. Oh, try mo yung nose. Lagay mo naman. Ay, nose mo naman. Hot pa? What can you say about the product, Kuya?
Well, it is very nice. Good for relaxing.
And moisture your face.
And also good for the COVID, di ba? Will help us to
Also,
kill the bacteria and the viruses. So,
Also, it makes me sleepy a little bit if you stay
Sleepy?
here for
Bakit?
because sometimes, you know, that warmness brings out the sleepiness.
Hindi enjoy sa ading, ah.
Yep.
Enjoy it, ah.
It'll be like sleeping gas, except it's for the water.
How about you, ate? Do you enjoy it? Do you enjoy it?
Yes, Udong's new video
For unboxing.
for the boxing. From the unboxing.
Oh, nag-moisture na yung mukha mo, oh.
What?
Oh.
What?
Oh, may parang pawis-pawis na.
Yeah, it's not really power, it's just letting out any kind of acids that are in your body.
Toxins.
Yep, every toxins. These are the sweat.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Don't forget to
Subscribe
subscribe.
and share to your family or friends.
Don't forget to click the notification. Don't forget to click the bell to receive more videos.
Comment below if you like this video. Bye!
So yan mga kabalyudong, itong facial steamer na to po pwede natin gawing humidifier sa kwarto. So yung water pwede nating haluan ng magnesium oil para mas masarap ang ating tulog. Yung kaninang tubig na nilagay ng anak ko, nilagyan ko ng magnesium oil at naglast naman siya mga 15 minutes.